Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Classroom app. Okay, already by default I have downloaded it, so now I need to download it again because whenever I'm going to Play Store and here I'm going to just search for the Google Classroom and here there will be other one for me just to update your Google Classroom because I already have downloaded it and I've already uh, on my phone. So now let's check for something else. That's how I can use that. Okay. So once as you can see that I've a Google Classroom app, and once I click on the Google Classroom and I get entered inside of the Google Classroom. Here already have many of the subjects that have enrolled. So uh, you can do this. You can make enroll of any of them. Okay, so now let's see how to join a class or how I've joined many of the classes right now. But once whenever you get notifications from the instructor side that please join this class, and even whenever you want to get or join any of the class, there will be some link sent by the instructor to you people. So now if that link that is really very important. So how about now just click on the plus sign and here the code, or you can say the link that is sent by the instructor to your people. Just please enter that code, and whenever you enter the code over here, like whatever that would be, so now just click on the top right corner on the screen, so you will get and you will join the desired instructor class. So hope you will understand it well, and thanks for watching.